To play Salad Bowl, cut or tear up some paper and hand each player 3 pieces. Ask everyone to write down a person, place, or thing on each of their slips of paper. Then, fold them in half and toss them into the bowl. Stir the papers around to mix them up. Split your players up into 2 teams, ideally with 3 to 6 players each, and flip a coin to see which team goes first. The first team chooses a player to select a piece of paper from the bowl. That player then gives hints about what's on the paper without actually saying a word. For example, if the word is dog, they could say, a 4-legged domesticated animal. The rest of the team has 1 minute to guess the word on the card before the other team's turn starts. But watch out, the next 2 rounds are harder. For the second round, the hints can only be a single word, and the third round is played like charades, with gestures only. The team with the most correct answers at the end of 3 rounds wins the game.